Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Microsoft OneDrive Cloud Storage, full guide step by step clearly. To reset Microsoft OneDrive Cloud Storage, start by ensuring that you're signed in to your OneDrive account. Open the OneDrive application on your computer. If you're using Windows, right-click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. Here, click on Unlink this PC. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the unlinking process. Click Unlink Account to proceed. Next, close the OneDrive application. Press the Windows key and type OneDrive in the search bar. Click on the OneDrive app to reopen it. You will see a prompt to set up OneDrive again. Click Get Started to begin the setup process. Enter your Microsoft account email address and click Sign In. Enter your password when prompted and click Sign In again. You may be asked to select the folders you want to sync with your PC. Choose the folders as per your preference. Click Next to move through the setup steps. Finally, click Open My OneDrive folder to access your files. Your OneDrive cloud storage is now reset and synced with your selected folders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.